Today we're going to talk about 3D printing. Printing we are familiar with, through the printer will text, images and other visual data, output to a class of paper records. This type of printing prints two-dimensional, flat content. 3D printing, on the other hand, is printing three-dimensional things. 3D printing, commonly known as additive manufacturing, creates physical objects by stacking them up layer by layer, unlike traditional subtractive manufacturing, which removes excess material from a blank. For example, carving ice sculptures is subtractive manufacturing, while building snowmen is additive manufacturing. One is pulled out, one is piled up. Traditional material reduction manufacturing needs a variety of processing methods when processing complex shapes, which is time-consuming and laborious. If you want to process complex shapes through machine tools, you need to use a lot of machining methods. Even if you use CNC machining centers, you also need to change the tool for many times to complete. 3D printing, on the other hand, can achieve complex shapes at a lower cost, requiring only pre-programmed printing and simple post-processing. In addition to strong modeling ability, 3D printing also has the advantage of low production cost in small batches. So if you're interested in 3D printing and want to get your hands on a printer, we highly recommend our latest product Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D Printer A350T. The latest iteration of Snapmaker A350T is equipped with new 3D printing module, linear modules, and power module. First, all for faster printing. Faster printing means that you can set higher speeds without compromising print quality. And along with that, in the subsequent update to Snapmaker Luban, the default work speed will be preset higher. A 350T's cooling system is upgraded to combine fast speed and brilliant accuracy at the same time. You can now 3D print larger projects even faster. The optimization of A350T's motion control algorithm improves the coordination between the extruder and the linear modules. Thus, problems including gaps, cracks and overflow are considerably alleviated, ensuring quality during moderate to high-speed printing. Second, the quieter the better. During normal printing, the A350T has an average noise level of about 50 dB, a typical home or office noise. Feel free to set the A350T in your living room or study, and really spend time with it to check the print in real time. Although the levels might vary, certain parts of the machine can produce noise while operating. With the new A350T linear modules, the noise gets reduced substantially, thanks to the TMC2209 stepper motor driver chips embedded. Quieter printing doesn't necessarily mean slower speed. Snapmaker accordingly increases the leads of the X and Y-axis screw rods from 8mm to 20mm, ensuring a stable and fast working speed. The new power module uses a much quieter fan whose speed can be adjusted automatically according to the real-time temperature, realizing a noise level decrease of about 16 dB, so that you can truly focus on your making. Third, 3-in-1. This is one of our most important features. Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D printer unlocks your full creative potential, from 3D printing to laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving. Smarter, faster, larger, and more powerful than ever before, it is a new generation of 3-in-1 3D printer that comes with everything you need. Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D Printer A350T is ideal for beginners who are just getting started, hobbyists who prefer more customized options, as well as engineers and designers who want to print large objects or accurate parts with outstanding print quality. Traditional 3D printers can only 3D print. A 350T does more. With interchangeable modules, Snapmaker's functions can be changed quickly, just like changing lenses on a camera. Now you can make beautiful and artistic creations using laser engraving and cutting. You can even use A350T as a CNC router to create complicated 2.5D and 3D objects. It has a more stable work speed and a much larger work area than Snapmaker Original, making it a perfect machine for you to start out on CNC carving. To sum up, come and order our products. You can go to our official website shop.snapmaker.com to order directly. Guaranteed value for money. Thanks again for watching our video. See you next time.